Assalamu alaikum, my lovely nurses. I hope you are all fine. So today we will talk about clinical judgment. Clinical judgment on hypoglycemia management. We will use 15 by 15 rule. So clinical judgment on hypoglycemia management, we will use 15 by 15 rule. So I will take one scenario, a hospitalized client with diabetes mellitus complains of sweating and hunger, and the nurse notes that the client is pale and shaking. The nurse recognized these clues as hypoglycemic reaction. Using the 15 by 15 rule, nurse takes the following action. So we are using 15 by 15 rule. A hospitalized client with diabetic mellitus complains of sweating and hunger. So patient has diaphoresis and patient is feeling too much hunger, and the nurse notes that the client is pale and shaking. So the patient color is pale and patient is shaking. The nurse recognizes these clues as hypoglycemic reaction. So nurse knows this all signs symptoms are related to hypoglycemia. Using the 15 by 15 rule, the nurse taking the following actions. So which actions nurse will take using the 15 by 15 rule? So first of all, what nurse will do, checks the client blood glucose level. Keep in your mind, never give treatment, always check the first client blood glucose level. That according to blood glucose level, we should give the treatment. Now, the second, if the blood glucose is less than 70 milligram per dl or 3.9 millimole per L if the blood glucose is less than 70 milligram per dl and 3.9 millimole per L, what the nurse will do, using the 15 by 15 rule, she will administer 15 gram simple carbohydrates, simple sugar, simple carbohydrates, such as half cup of fruit juice, keep in your mind here the patient is conscious. They did not mention in the scenario the patient is unconscious. So she is using the oral 15 gram carbohydrate such as half cup of fruit juice because the patient is conscious, or 15 gram of glucose gel. So first priority what she will do, check the patient blood sugar. If the blood glucose level is less than 70 milligram or 3.9 millimole per L, she will administer 15 gram 15 by 15 rule we are discussing. 15 gram simple carbohydrates such as half cup of fruit juice. So half cup of fruit juice is equal to 15 gram of simple carbohydrates, or 15 gram of glucose gel, that is equal to 15 gram of carbohydrates. So this is the first thing. Then the next what she will do, recheck the blood glucose level in 15 minutes. We are doing 15 by 15 rule. So recheck the blood glucose level in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, she will check again blood glucose level. Now, if the blood glucose remain again below 70, if blood glucose remain again less 70 milligram per dl or 3.9 millimole per L, what she will do? She will again administer 15 gram of simple carbohydrates. So again she will use the same rule. Again she will use give the 15 gram of simple carbohydrates after 15 minutes. Then again she will recheck the blood sugar, blood glucose level after 15 minutes. So this is second time she is doing. Second time again recheck the blood glucose level after 15 minutes. If again blood glucose level is less than 70 milligram per dl or 3.9 millimole per L, again she will give the 15 milligram simple carbohydrates. So three times she repeat 15 gram of simple carbohydrates. 3 times she check the blood glucose level and 3 times she give the 15 gram simple carbohydrates. After 15 minutes she will check again BSR, blood glucose after 15 minutes. If still the blood glucose level is less than 70 milligram per dl and 3.9 millimole per L, then the treatment will change. So now fourth time after 3 times she give 15 gram of simple carbohydrates, but still the blood glucose level is less than 70 milligram or 3.9 millimole. So now what she will do, treat with 25 to 50 ml 50% dextrose, 50% dextrose through IV. Now oral, we will not give anything oral. Now we will convert to intravenous. So treat with 25 ml to 50 ml 50% dextrose intravenously, or with 1 milligram glucagon subcutaneous or intramuscular. So fourth time, if again blood glucose level remains same, not increasing, not going to more than 70 milligram, if again blood glucose level less than 70 milligram per dl, so what the nurse should have to do, treat with 25 to 50 ml of 50% dextrose IV, or with 1 milligram glucagon subcutaneous or intramuscular. Now once the blood glucose recover, now after this one, if the blood glucose level recover, what she will do, the client should ingest snacks that includes complex carbohydrates or protein. So the food that the nurse give to the patient, it should be in the snacks that includes complex carbohydrates. The snacks include complex carbohydrates and protein. So that the food we will give to the patient include the snack with complex carbohydrate and protein. Now patient is totally recovered. After that, what nurse should have to do? Documentation, very important. Document the client complaints, action taken and outcome. Action taken and outcome. So she will document everything, what happened to the patient, the sign symptom, what action she take, and what the outcome came. This is very important, the documentation. Then explore the precipitating cause, of the hypoglycemia to the client. So the nurse should have to explain to the patient what causes of the hypoglycemia the patient face. She will explain everything to the patient. Now, if the patient is experienced an altered level of consciousness, bypass oral treatment. We will not give oral treatment, that we use the 15/15 rule to treat the hypoglycemia. If the patient is unconscious, the level of consciousness is altered, bypass mean don't use oral treatment and start with injectable glucagon or 50% dextrose, because if the patient is unconscious and the nurse will give oral carbohydrates, there is a risk for aspiration. So do not attempt to administer oral food or fluids to the client experience a severe hypoglycemic reaction, who is semi-conscious or unconscious or is unable to swallow. This client is at risk for aspiration. For these clients, an injection of glucagon is administered either subcutaneously, intramuscular, or intravenous. In the hospital or emergency department, the client may be treated with an IV injection of 25 to 50 ml of 50% dextrose in water. So this is very important. If the patient is semi-conscious, unconscious, altered level of consciousness, never use oral carbohydrates. There is a risk for aspiration and it can more make the problem for the patient. So always convert to the injectable glucagon, either intramuscular, IV or subcutaneous, or use the 25 to 50 ml of 50% dextrose water. I hope you like the lecture. If you like, please share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the bell button so you can receive my coming video notification. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and family. Allah Hafiz.